Hello, Easy Enough English members. This is going to be the 8th video in the idiom video series. Okay, today's idiom we're going to talk about between a rock and a hard place. Now, you might have heard this before and not known what it meant. Okay, but today I'm going to tell you what it means and in what situation or context you would use it. Okay. So first of all, what does that mean? Okay, to be between a rock and a hard place means when you have to choose between two bad situations or options, okay? We can write that down too, okay? But what does that mean? Two bad situations or options? Well, let's read the example that I've written here, okay? I wouldn't want to be David. He has to choose between taking a 15% pay cut or working 15 extra hours a week. He's between a rock and a hard place. Okay, so this is a situation where a worker has to choose between two bad things. Okay, so if he takes a 15% pay cut, an hourly pay cut, if he's making $200 an hour, okay, minus 15%, that means he will now be making $170 an hour. So he was making $200 an hour, now he's making $170 for every hour that he works. He can choose that, or he can choose to work 15 extra hours a week, okay? So that means if he's working, let's say 30 hours a week plus 15, I believe your math is pretty good, so this is easy, is 45 hours a week. Okay. So just imagine if you were David, okay? You work 30 hours a week and you make $200 an hour, and when you come home, you feel very tired, okay? Every week. But what if you had to choose between these two very bad things, okay? Neither one is good. So that's what it means to be between a rock and a hard place. You might be feeling like this guy here. You might not know what to choose. Well, that's normal because both options are very bad, okay? Now, you see, I gave you the situation, and then I said he's between a rock and a hard place. You could start your situation or sentence with someone's between a rock and a hard place, and then tell why. Or you can tell why and then say that person is between a rock and a hard place. This is a good idiom to use because most of the time there are times when we're in a situation where both options aren't very good. So you can practice your English and impress your friends by saying, "Oh, I'm in between a rock and a hard place," and they might say, "What does that mean?" Okay, so you will have learned something that's very useful and is used very frequently in English language. Well, guys, that's the video. I hope you liked the video. If you do, be sure to leave a comment in the comments section. If you need to contact me about any tutoring information, just remember you can email me at easyenoughtenglish@gmail.com or shoot me a message in Facebook Messenger. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Thanks, and bye-bye.